Hi, my name is Denzel, and what we're going to do today is two kinds of beginners meditation. So this is a guided meditation for beginners. One is the traditional way, and the other is a little out of the tradition, but it's something that I have developed along the way. So let's begin. Yeah. We'll start off with the meditation itself and what you need to do if you're a beginner. First of all, of course, find a place in your home which is nice and comfortable, like a nice cool corner. Yeah, not too much house traffic happening, not too much road traffic happening, nice and shant, like quiet. Yeah. The second thing you need to do is okay, so you find a mat or a cushion or whatever it might be that allows you to sit comfortably. The most important thing is that you should be comfortable all of the time during your meditation. Now, in India, of course, we sit cross-legged like this, but if you're finding a problem with sitting there, all you need to do is take a cushion like this and put it under the butt. Yeah, so it raises you up a little bit, gives you a kind of a posture which allows you to sit for a longer time and allows you to meditate comfortably. However, if you can't do that, suppose you're not the age, or in inverted commas, to be doing that, then you can sit on a sofa, or you can sit on a chair, or you can sit even in your bed and do it. It's provided your bed is comfortable. The most important thing is to have a straight back. Your back should be straight all the time, as long as you're meditating. Don't slouch like this and meditate. Doesn't work. So that's as far as posture is concerned. Should you have music, you can have music in the background, nice soft music, lilting music that will help you to meditate better. And keep it as simple as possible. I'd say that in the beginning, set an alarm on your watch, because otherwise you'll keep thinking about how long is left and what you're going to do, etc., etc., etc. But the rest is kind of cool. So I'm going to do a really quick meditation. How we do this is, I will explain it to you first. Yeah, we start off with both kinds of meditations as beginners, or whichever form you are, with something called the Anulom Vilom. Now what you need to do is your index finger and your first finger, you fold them in. So you make a kind of a conch. Yeah, so this is your thumb sticking out, and that's your pinky finger and your ring finger on the other side. And just hold, so breathe out. And then you hold one of your nostrils, which is your right one, and breathe in from the other one. And then you hold the other nostril and breathe out from the one you were just holding. Then you breathe in right. Hold your right nostril and breathe out left. Breathe in left. Hold your left nostril and breathe out right. Nice and gently. Then breathe in right. Hold your right nostril and breathe out left. So you need to do this about 5 times totally. I'll take my specs off so that I'm more comfortable. Take whatever you have off, watches, etc. Keep them on the side so that they don't disturb you. So whenever you're starting a meditation, you can start it like this. Okay, the first meditation I'm going to do is the easier of the two meditations. It's not something that they talk about, but here in India, they practice it a lot. So when monks go into a monastery in India, the first thing that they're taught is how to meditate. And how do they meditate? They meditate on what they call a mantra. If you don't know what a mantra is, look it up. It's basically a set of words that you can actually create a sound with. That's the idea. The most popular in India is to do Om. So you do Om. So you breathe in and then you do Om, shut your eyes. Yeah. However, if it's not something that you're comfortable with, or you think there are religious connotations to this, then don't do that. Matlab, you can just do a very simple meditation, just humming. So you breathe in and hum, and that's the one I'm going to be doing first. Yeah. So do it 10 times to begin. Never have a meditation which is more than 5 minutes. I'd say 5 minutes should be your maximum in the beginning. Don't meditate for longer than that. Over time, you can keep building up the time and the practice as you go along. And sometimes you can meditate twice a day as well, morning and evening. What's the best time? I'd say morning. I've got a video on this, so don't forget to have a look at that video. It is all the FAQs on meditation. It's on my YouTube channel, Wellness Works. Also, what you need to do is sign up. Yes, actually like and subscribe so that I can show you lots more videos, and then we can have a lot of fun with meditation, yoga, and self-help, and everything that I have on my channel. So we'll start. Sit comfortably. This is the best position to sit in. However, if you're sitting on a chair, then you need to put your feet on the floor, firmly on the floor, apart, not together, not folded, not crossed. Yeah, let's go. So it's very simple. It's a simplistic thing. What we will be doing is we will be putting our hands here, resting comfortably on your knees, and breathe in. And after you breathe in, keep your eyes closed and gently hum. And then breathe in again. See, it's very simple. All you're doing is breathing in nice and deeply and then humming. That's a simple meditation. Why? I'll tell you why it's easy. You know, all of these brand new meditations tell you that you should watch your breath. First of all, I don't believe you can ever watch your breath with your eyes closed, because if your eyes are closed, what you're watching, you're not watching it. You're feeling your breath. Okay, the second thing is that you have to still your thoughts, right? When you still your thoughts, they will always come back to you. And that's, I think, the toughest thing that everybody, don't you agree? Toughest thing that everybody faces in the beginning in a meditation is actually freezing your thoughts. Yes, when you get good at it, it's easy to do. But in the beginning, it is not. So I'd say just do the humming meditation in the beginning. It's the easiest thing to do. Why? Because you're concentrating on your humming. So it becomes very easy. 10 times to begin with, then increase it to 20 times, then increase it to 30 times. So you start with the Anulom Vilom, the breathing technique, alternate breathing technique that I told you. I've got a video on that as well, so you can have a look at it. And then after that, you do the humming technique to start with, as far as your meditation is concerned. Then you can go to the second type of meditation that I'm going to start for beginners, which is the breathing meditation. So this is essentially that you sit in the same position. You start with the Anulom Vilom, which is the breathing exercise, the alternate nostril breathing exercise. I like this. It looks very cool, doesn't it? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Anyways, so coming back, focus, Denzel, focus. Yes. So coming back to the breathing meditation, you start with your Anulom Vilom, and then you go into the breathing. So you close your eyes again. Yeah, you can keep them half open, but it'll be nice if you can close them. And then you breathe in nice and deep. Yeah, really nice and deep. And as you breathe in, feel yourself taking that breath. Feel your chest expanding. Feel your tummy expanding. Feel your body taking in that breath. That's the idea. It's about feeling you taking in the breath, not watching it. Yeah. And then slowly, once you breathe in nice and deep, then slowly let it go. You breathe in through your nose and out through your nose, and you do not open your mouth. Please don't do that. Okay? And then all you need to do is breathe in, and you feel your breath going in, and slowly let it go. You can also gently say to yourself, I am my breath, because you are. The day your breath stops, you will stop to function as a human being. So you are your breath. And you can say that. It gives you a great feeling of self. It gives me an inner to myself. That's why you're going inwards. You're going inwards so that you can meditate. So I am my breath. So breathe in. I am my breath. And then slowly breathe out again. Breathe in. I am my breath. And slowly breathe out. Breathe in. I am my breath. And slowly breathe out. Breathe in. I am my breath. And slowly breathe out. So I've done this 5 times. You can do it 10 times to begin with, 15 or 20 times as you go along. So it's very simple. I'd say that you start with the humming or the mantra variation of the meditation, and then straight after that you go into the breathing variation of the meditation, which is essentially deep breathing, and then slowly letting it. Don't force yourself at anything. Be as comfortable as you can. Thoughts will come, especially with this kind of breathing. Thoughts will come. Let them come, let them go. Do not react in any form to them. Just let them come and let them go. Let them float in and out. I would say as you go along, which I will do in a later video, I'll say that you should actually, at some level, resolve each thought as you go along, but that is later. Right now, you're beginners, so stay there. And keep it as simple and as comfortable as possible. Also, there's this whole thing in apps which says that you should do it every day, and at the end of the day, you get rewarded. I'd say if you can make the practice an everyday practice, thumbs up. But if you can't, doesn't matter. Don't be very hard on yourself. Just do the comfortable thing, whatever you think is good. But as long as you find value in what you're doing, and you will see the value as you go along in weeks and months, you will actually realize this is a great thing to do to calm your mind, to calm your body, to calm your thoughts, to just give you peace of mind, especially in a day and age like this. It's important to give you peace of mind. So these are 2 really simple techniques. They are the beginner's techniques. So one is a mantra or just humming, yeah, and the other one is just feeling your breath go in and feeling your breath go out again, and feeling your breath go in and feeling your breath. And that's as simple as it is. And for the rest of it, as we go along, I have other meditations also on my YouTube channel, so you can have a look at those. You can follow those as you go along so that you'll get better and better. I'd say do it really early in the morning or late in the night, just before you go to sleep. These are 2 really good times to do it. You can create the ambience, like you can put in candles or you can burn incense or whatever you have near you. It just creates the atmosphere. It's nothing else. It gives you in the mood. Also, your mind gets used to visuals and scents and sounds that you do during meditation, and it comes back to that. Anyways, that's all I have for you in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, happy meditation to you. Hope this practice is fruitful. It gives you the calm and peace and happiness and joy in your heart that you want out of this practice. And stay safe, stay protected. God bless you all. And Denzel says bye.